Hey everybody, my name is Dave Curran. I am a distribution account manager for Bose Professional, and today I'm here at the E4 in New Jersey with Exertis Almo. I wanted to show you something really unique to Bose Professional. It's called the EdgeMax speaker. What we have here today is the 180 version, and it uses what's called phase guide technology. So you notice this inner piece, and basically what this does is you'd put the speaker on the edge of a room. This would go in the middle. There are two 90-degree versions that you'd put in the corners and of the ceiling. And what that would do is cover the entire room with sound. So the sound comes out in a curtain, doesn't reflect off the wall, and the throw is all the way to the back of the room. So you could think hotel lobby, car dealership where there's challenging installations or just nowhere to hang speakers. These have become really popular in those kind of installations. They're in stock at Exertis. So check out boseprofessional.com. Thanks and have a great day.